Welcome to Northern Vanuatu Real Estate. Today we're going to show you the starting of the Peter Plantation, which has been run as a lifestyle property. And here we come with the main house, which is right on the beach, 2 bedrooms, manager's quarters. Up behind the manager's quarters is the solar power and generator shed, which leads through the coconut grove to the hydroponics. As you can see, the hydroponics is currently 2 bays, 800 square metres under roof with 20,000 litres of water storage and water running to the hydroponics. You can pump 40,000 litres a day. Here you can see going down the coast is subdivided off for residential lifestyle blocks. It's not included. The coconut groves are. As we go into the bay here, this is the beachfront that's included in the property on the other side. So in front of you now is a deep-water access and the major barge landing, and you'll see the cattle race going up to the cattle yards. The yards need a little bit of work and probably brought down closer to the salt water for ease and expense, but we've been running it like this because we like it like that. Very efficient yards, but they do need a bit of an upgrade. In behind here you can see the 2-storey staff quarters. That's 440 square metres, cyclone, earthquake proof, big strong building, going down the main race leading towards the hydroponics and the main cattle trough. And now we're going to a photo gallery, just giving you a look at the different parts of the Peter through the time and what you can see. If you've got any inquiries, don't hesitate to contact either iProperty in Port Vila or Northern Vanuatu Real Estate on WhatsApp +678 598 0005. Thank you.